A 33-year-old woman remains hospitalized after police say her ex-boyfriend, 55-year-old Richard Lorman, shot her in the head outside her workplace in Salem, Mass. On Monday before turning the gun on himself. Questions remain about why a judge in Hampton, where they had lived, denied her request to extend a domestic violence petition against him. According to Hampton Police Department paperwork, the victim contacted them on September 15th saying he had refused to leave her home and she was scared. He then left voluntarily. On the 21st, a temporary restraining order was filed. Lorman turned his firearms license into police but told them he didn't have any guns anymore. When the victim requested an extension a month later, the judge ruled he didn't pose a credible present threat. The Coalition Against Domestic and Sexual Violence has listened to just-released recordings of that second hearing.
The victim had delineated at least 3 felonies, very explicit threats, and events that had happened as recently as September and October of this year. If that is not a credible threat to someone's safety, I cannot imagine what is.
8,000 petitions are filed each year in the state, 38% granted.
The courts have been influenced about assumptions they make about victims, assumptions about batterers' behavior, and I think this case demonstrates that courts often make assumptions about risk.
The New Hampshire court system is now doing an internal review of this case.
So the question isn't, did a judge make a wrong decision that had bad consequences? The question is, should the judge, on everything that was in front of the judge at the time of the decision not to renew the restraining order, did the judge just deviate from what she should have done?
Now, the court system says that review should be done by the end of next week and should eventually be made public. It's also in the process of creating a multidisciplinary task force to conduct a systemic review of domestic violence cases in the system. We're live in Portsmouth. Jennifer Crompton, WMUR News 9.